about it too. Michael, you have to make a face.
What time is it?
I don't know.
You have your phone on you?
I'm recording their faces.
So make them right.
Well, hurry up. I wish I could zoom in on your face. It's so beautiful. You remind me of like a cyborg. That looks like a clank thing, you know, like.
Like a deer?
Yeah, that thing.
It looks like one of the Doctor Who aliens.
You match. Can you guys like rob a bank with these on? The guy was Peter.
They're soft taco melons. Soft taco melons. They proceeded to eat their tacos. Eat the evidence. If you find any mess, this is good because they can't look for this kind of mess because we'll eat it when we're done.
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Princess. Don't eat my face. Don't eat my face! Princess, you got my face! Look at her!
Oh my god!
My face! Good girl, Princess. Oh, throw no more yet.
She's proceeding to eat the evidence.
Want some cheese? Sorry.
Stop eating the cheese. She's gonna puke later.
Nap time.
Yeah, I know.
1, 2, 3, not it for